Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. So, prose I took prose lesson. Now I am going to go to the poem. So, first unit we have completed. If you got your book, you try to buy one guide which will be useful for you. You can do the book exercises and other things at home when you are free. We will also do it here, but try to buy one guide and your book and go through it and try to complete all the book exercises. So, now we are in unit 2. The first lesson prose is the Queen of Boxing. Now it is the second poem, Confession of a Born Spectator by Ogden Nash. So, usually we used to see about the poet. The poets are very, very important. They write their feelings and most of them write what happened in their life. So, here also the poet says like this. He takes a confession. Confession means a forgiveness for what if we do any mistake we confess. But here in this poem is not that confession, but what he says is, what I think I have taken it for myself. So, for being a born spectator, spectator is a person who views the match or the game. So, he would not be playing the game, but he will be watching the game and he will be giving the comments about the players, those who are playing in the field or ground. So, here he talks about that. So, now we are going to see about the poet. His name is Frederick Ogden Nash. He was born on 19th August 1902 and died on 19th May 1971. Was born in Rio in New York. He is an American poet. He was an American poet well known for his light verse, for which he wrote over 500 pieces. He had written nearly 500 poetries. Most of the poem are all light verse. Usually the verses will be like this. So you have learned about the stanza which has got 4 lines. Usually there will be A, B, rhyming scheme. But here the rhyming scheme is entirely different. And when I go to the poem I will tell you. So it is called as a light verse. He published his first book for children, The Cricket of Caradon, in 1925. His first published poem was Spring Comes to Murray Hill. Appears in New York Magazine in 1930. When his unconventional rhyming scheme, he has declared the country's best known producer of humorous poetry. Humorous means jovial or a happy poem, which makes us happy. So here he talks about, we saw about the poet. Now we are going to the poem. So the poem will be sent for you, or if you got a book, first you have to read the poem. That is very, very important. Go through the poem. Reading is very important. 3 things are very important for us. First you have to read, then make it a habit to write. The homework is being given for you. Write the homework neatly, and then you have to learn. This is the third thing, is very, very important. Whatever you read, write, you have to learn and memorize. That day work you have to finish it off on that day itself. So I am going to the poem now. So not everybody loves to play and participate in games, sports and other extracurricular activities. So when people are called for their PT period also, some of them will be sitting. They will be giving excuses that they are not well like that. Some of us wish to be a mere spectator. So only some of us like to sit in one place and see the match and give comments of what they play. List out the activities in which you like the performer or a spectator. So you yourself decide what you are going to be. Do you want to play or to sit and watch the game? So here we are going to see, here is a poem by Ogden Nash, who believes that the spectator can be an enthusiastic as a player. So both same. I have seen when we see the match in the TV also, we shout. So when there is 4 or 6, when a player is out, we shout, and that is called as enthusiasm. So we show our feelings of happiness, of joy. If somebody gets out, we feel for it. We feel sad for it. See, one of our player has been got out. So that is called. So he also says. So both are enthusiastic. Both are very happy to look. One is the player who is playing in the ground, and also the person who is viewing the match or viewing the sports. So now let us read and enjoy the poem, Confession of a Born Spectator. When you go through the poem, you have to enjoy it. So the enjoyment is very, very important, not simply learning or reading the lesson. So here, one infant grows up and becomes a jockey. So as soon as when we are born, so what happened here, they say what they are going to become. We know only 3 things. One is engineer, doctor, and some other government office. We don't give time for sports. The sports side is entirely, no. If he goes and play, he will get hurt. So we will try to keep our children safe. So one boy or one infant child, a boy or girl, it could be. So he wants to become a jockey. Jockey is a person who sits in the horse in a horse race. So what he will do, he will be sitting in the horse and he will be making the horse to run faster. Another player, another child, he wants to become a basketball player or a hockey player. So it depends on the child. So some students like that. This one, the prize ring hates to enter. Another thing is talks about the boxing ring, where you can find there the 2 boxes and the referee will be there, and one person will be hitting the other person, because he gives this. The last lesson we saw about the boxing. So enter them. That one becomes a tackle or center. So what happened? One will be hitting another person, and another person will be defending, or he will try to hit the next person, the opponent. So the center. I am just glad as glad can be. So but I am very happy, because that I am not them. So I am not a jockey, nor a basketball player, nor a hockey player, nor a boxer. So I need not tackle, or I did not get any hurt. The only thing is, I want to be happy by viewing the match. I am not of them, they are not me, and I am not them, and they are also not me. So simply some have their ability, they wanted to show their ability. So next paragraph, with all my heart do I do admire. So while I go and watch a match, fully, wholeheartedly I will be admiring the match. Athletes, the person, those who run, 100 meters, 200 meters, like that and athletes, who sweat for fun or hire. Some people, they run for fun. Another person, they hire. If you go to foreign countries, many cricket players and many athletes, usually America, what they do, they hire people to run for their country. So here also, so somebody, it may be a person who sweats. When you run, you sweat a lot. It is very good for your health. So he says like this. So some people, they be in the sports for fun, but some people are being hired. They are given money, a lump sum of money. You would have seen this cricket also, where all these matches, what they do, they give money and they purchase the players for their team. So here it talks about that. Who takes the field in a gaudy pomp? Gaudy pomp is that this will be entirely different. If you see the football match, football players and all, they will be having a shining type of dress to attract, and the name and the number will be at the back, and some of the sponsor's name will be in the front. So the dress will be very shining and it will be very attractive. So here also he talks about that. And maim each other as they roam. My limp and bashful. My limp is, the bashful means the shyness spirit feet. So although I see them, they play like that, but no other people's heroic deeds. That their own. They wanted to show their own heroic. They won't be thinking about the person who is running or those who are playing with them. Their main aim is to, they have to win and they have to show that they are heroes. But I don't like that. I want to sit and watch the match. Third paragraph. Now, runs 90 yards to score. So when the athlete is running to the point where he had to go and they end, the finishing point we used to say. So when he runs, what happened? When he reaches that, the opponent also, he will also try to run fast and they make himself. So what happened? The runner will try to obstacle or put some to make them not to run properly. So they will be doing some type of mischiefs also. But what happened? When they go nearer and nearer, what happened? Their aim and attitude will change. So they run. So A runs. A is the person here. Then B knocks the champion to the floor. So next he talks about another person. B, he is in the boxing arena where he tries to knock him, to put him down, to put all his pressure and make the opponent to put down. So what happened? Cracking vertebrae. So what happened? While he was fighting, what he will do? He will make the opponent face to be broken, or sometimes the vertebra, the backbone, even the spinal cord, we say that is the very important part of a body. So what happened? They will fight like that. And spine. Lashes is straight across the line. So what happened? He will try to, it talks about the wrestling. There will be a ring which will be drawn there, and both the wrestlers and will be inside. The person will try to put him out of the line. Or what happened? He will put him down and he used to sit on the top of him. So what happened? So these things will make him to feel bad, because he is also a human being here. You think my ego, it would please. So what happened? You have got an ego that I should win. So everybody should have an ego. A good ego is very important. Already I used to tell that godly type of ego is very important. Whatever we think in our mind, it should be a godliness, where truthfulness should be there, not to cheat others. Or here also the players, what they do, their main aim is to win and win a gold or a silver medal for their country. To swam positive with one of these. So I'd like to say, I don't want to go into the ego of the player. I want to sit and watch. Well, egoist might be pleased enough. So what happened? When he wins, what happened? The ego is being pleasing him. He will be overjoyed. Not only himself, the country, the fans who are there sitting in the arena, all will be very happy. They will be more pleased to see. But Jesus athletes play so rough. So the athletes, while they are running, what they will do? They will put their hand or the legs and make them to tremble and fall down. And they will be hurt very, very, very severely. The cricket match also, while the bowler is bowling, what happened? The ball comes in a very fast manner. It hits him. Sometimes the players, they die. The player also who is hitting the ball. So what happened? When he catches the ball, what happened? The speed of the ball is so much. So what is this? Says is, they do not ever in their dealing. The dealing is how to win. Consider one another's feeling. You should consider another person's feeling. When somebody is very sorrowful or very sad, what you have to do? You should go and ask him what is the thing, and you try to solve his problem. So feelings of a man. At home also, you have got your parents where they will be feeling a different way, or how you feel. You take all things light. But their feeling is entirely different. What they do is, so sometimes when they are very sad, what you have to do? You have to go and talk to them. So feeling, consider another feeling. But here in the field, or when the athlete They don't feel of another man's feeling. The main aim is to win and the match. I am glad that when my struggle begins. So, but I am little bit glad because I am not going to be run or I am not going to be hurt. I am not going to have any type of hurt in my body. Twist, prudent and ego. So, what happened is, this prudent is the wisdom, how carefully they play to win. But I am more wisdom than this person, not to go in the ground or to go and play in the field or to get hurt. So I am a wisdom man. I sit in a place very safe. I eat my popcorn and other things while I am viewing the match and I give my comments. The next paragraph. When swollen eye meets a grand stress. So what happens? Somebody talks about this boxing. When you hit, what happens? Swollen na வீங்கி போறது. அப்படியே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கண்ணுக்குன்னெல்லாம் இதில் வீங்கிடும். So he talks about it. So the another person and the grand fits. So the wrestling mostly it happens. What happened? They used to hold their hand and try to twist it and sometimes it breaks. When snap the knees, what happened? They will kick the knee and they snap means they will break the knee and crack the wrist. The wrist is this part in your hand where it is called as wrist watch, where you are wearing your watch. So what happened? So what happened? They will try it. They will try to break it, your wrist. So when officialdom demands, so what happened when a player is being hurt in the ground? What happened? They will search for the doctor. There will be a place called as the officialdom is a place where it will be the players and other people will be sitting there. So when he gets hurt very much, what happened? Then only they will be the sponsors. Then only they will take care and they will be searching for a doctor. Beforehand they won't fix up a doctor there. So you would have seen the matches when somebody is being hurt, they take the player in a stretcher. So for treatment. So some in football and all, what I have seen, they will be simply applying the painkiller and again they ask their players to play. They won't. So their aim is to earn money. So my soul is true. Thanksgiving speaks. So my soul is talking that. See how selfish these people are. Only to earn money, they do this. So for the modest of this physics, they don't worry about their body or the hurt, how they feel. So here he talks about it. So lastly, so what is there says is, I will be very very happy or more enjoyment to see the match and I will be involved in the match also. While the match is going on, I will do everything. But what I say is, athletes, he talks to the athlete, I will drink to you. So when I win, what happened? You people also, you have your thing in your hand and you overjoy your happiness to show. The same way what I will do that also. When you win. Or eat with you. I am ready to come and eat with you, to have a dinner with you. Okay, so the last paragraph you are going to see now. He talks about himself. The poet talks about himself. Athletes. He calls the athletes and says that, I will drink to you. So when you are happy, when you win the match, what happened? You are drinking the wine or whatever you drink there. I also the same way when I am at home, I join with you and I will also enjoy the victory which you have got there. In the same way, what happened? I am your fan. So when you call me to have a dinner or eat with you, I am ready to do this. I may be your best fan and I am ready to eat. Or anything except competing. I can do everything and anything. But only one thing what I cannot do is, I cannot come to the field or the ground and compete with you. I cannot play with you. Or I cannot have the hurt and other things which you get in the ground. I can do everything. I can drink with you. I can eat with you. But only except what I want to tell you is, players, I cannot come and compete with you. I cannot play with you. I am ready. Buy tickets worth the radium. Radium is the costliest metal. What he says is, I am ready to give the large amount for the ticket also, whatever may be the cost of the ticket. I am ready to buy that because I wanted to view the match and I wanted to be a spectator and enjoy myself to see the match and other things. So to watch you gamble, so I watch you also jumping and enjoying yourself, so overjoyed. Gamble means overjoyed when you get a victory. I also do the same thing. I also enjoy with you. I join with you and reassure myself anew and make myself also a new person by the match. That you are not me. The last thing what I want to tell you is, you be as a player and I will be as a spectator. I wanted to tell you only this because I cannot ride on a horse or play hockey or play baseball or go to the boxing ring to fight with an opponent. I cannot do anything because if somebody gets hurt, I cannot be taken to the hospital because I cannot bear the hurt or the pain. So, but I feel everything. So all these things I do, but only thing is, let me be as a spectator. I will be as a spectator to watch the match, and you players, you athletes, you do your best and you win your opponent or you win your matches. But I cannot do that. So you will be in your place and I will be in my place. So here also he talks about the spectators. The spectator also joins into that game. The only thing is, he's not playing the game. He simply sits in one place before a TV, or if he goes to the ground, he gets a seat there. He watches the match, but he is not playing. So that is the reason what he says, he confesses, because the players, they take more effort, they practice the lot, day and night they practice. After the practice only, they will be getting the higher position or higher rank by getting a gold medal in the match. But we people, what do? We sit in one place and we simply see. So that is why the reason I confessing for being a spectator and not being a player. So players, you should be like a player, always brisk, making you to put your effort. Whatever you do, you should do for your good. So you have to help your parents also. So they are doing the good for your education. So this lesson talks about that. That be a spectator or be a athlete or a player, but what you have to do is do the correct job wherever you are, do it correctly. So this poem talks about this. So thank you very much, students, for being with me, and God bless you for this session. Be safe and take care of you. Thank you very much.